Why hello, welcome to California. This video is for my fur brothers, my amazing mate, anyone who is my friend and who is not in Cali to enjoy this wonderful weather. It's about 6 o'clock right now, and as you can see, it's about as sunny as a dungeon. Yes, my amazing pool. Let's see. And it's raining! And I don't like the rain. And over there's my brother in the window. But yes, as you can clearly see, it's magnificent weather for let's see, skateboarding, bike riding, anything along those lines, especially fishing. Who wants to fly a kite? Let's see. In California, we have two different settings of weather. We have damn that's hot and this, which is cold. And why I'm not wearing a jacket? I don't wanna. That's why. So, let's see. It's wet and cold and I'm not wearing shoes either. And our magnificent house. And now my camera's getting all wet because it's raining harder. I don't like this. Okay. What? Hold on.
You know, go to it.